what I want you to do with this design is to basically detect the temperature in a room. So obviously, since this is just a design in the software, I'll detect the temperature using on screen right here. So what it basically does is when the temperature goes above 50, this LED RBG will light up red if the temperature is above 50, and when it's below 18 degrees Celsius, it will light blue, meaning it's too cold in the room. And if it's between 18 degrees Celsius and 50 degrees Celsius, it will light green, meaning normal temperature in the room, and red, meaning a hot temperature in the room, which is about 50 degrees Celsius. So here I have the sensor pin A0, which is connected, the analog pin A0, which is connected to the temperature sensor, and then here I have the variable for the data of the temperature, the data of the temperature sensor, the variable which is sensor input, and then the variable of the temperature, which will convert it to temperature. The buzzer, analog pin connected to the buzzer in 8, analog pin connected to the RGB, 9 red, green analog pin 10, and blue analog pin 11. So here we have the serial port, which is connected to this Arduino, and this is just the speed of the communication. So, and then this will be the outputs of the buzzer of the red LED, green, and the blue LED. Then we have the loop, which will run infinite number of times. And so here I have the data got from the temperature sensor from the analog pin A0, using the method analog read to get the data off this temperature sensor right here. And then the statements are usually just to convert them to the temperature to degrees. So here I just have it temperature to double, which will comply with the data got from the temperature sensor, and these are the beats, which will will then be converted to the beats, and then these beats with these 3 statements will be converted to the degrees. And then here I have print out the statement, current temperature, which will then print out the temperature which will be recorded in the room. Then here I have my conditional statement. So obviously I told you from before, if the temperature is above 50, the buzzer will go off, and there will be a red light, and the green light will not show. So it will just be, if the temperature is above 50, you'll hear the buzzer and you'll see the red light, meaning that the temperature in the room is high. And then if the temperature is less than 18 degrees, the buzzer will go off, and you will see the LED lighting blue, else, which means below, which means between 18 degrees or 50 degrees, the buzzer will not go off. You will see the LED lighting green, meaning the temperature is the right condition. So I'm just gonna go ahead and run this code for you guys just to see how it is. There we go. I'm just gonna pull up the serial monitor for you here. So this is the serial monitor which will show us the temperature. So right now the temperature, as you can see, is 46.88. So that is between 18 and 50, which means normal temperature. And as you can see, because it's a normal temperature, the buzzer is off and it's lighting green, so meaning normal temperature. So I'm just gonna adjust the temperature to lower and 18 so that you can see the difference. So right now the temperature, as you can see, is 9.77, which is quite low, and so the buzzer goes off and it lights blue, meaning the temperature in the room is quite cold. And I'm going to go ahead to increase the temperature. So I've increased the temperature right here. So you can see the temperature is 174.8.80. Temperature is high. So you see the LED lights up red, meaning the temperature in the room is red. I'm just gonna stop it. Yeah, so that's the design I had for the smart room temperature system. Yes.